This background is fake. Before, after. Are you a content creator who have been struggling to create content on YouTube because of your background, because of the environment, to be like, I don't know how it will turn out? Because of that, you're not creating the content that you want to share with us. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a fake background without paying any dime money. Like, you're not paying anything. I'm going to teach you how to create a fake background without paying anything. Watch this video to the end so that you learn and know how to do it. It's not stressful at all. It's very easy to create. Things you need to know and the things you need to have before you start creating that content. So all you need is a neat environment. You need to stay in a clean and neat environment. You don't need much thing to be around you. This one is to light up your room. You can use artificial lights, you can use window lights, you can use your window lights. That is okay. Just make sure that you're sitting close to the window or somewhere around the window so that video will be bright, not after editing it will be looking so blur or something. So you need to stay in an environment that is bright so that you can get what you need. The thing you need is a tripod, a standing tripod, so that you can keep your phone or your camera. You don't need someone to hold the phone for you to record, no, because you wouldn't want your video to be shaking or looking unkept, so that your video after editing will not be shaking or looking somehow. So you need a tripod. So with this few explanation, let's dive into the main thing. So download a Canva. If you don't have, go to your Google and download a Canva. So after that, it will show you this thing. You search YouTube thumbnail. I'm typing the name YouTube thumbnail. So after you are done with that, you click on search. It will now open. My own is in all your content, so I'm going to move it to Canva template. Yes, I've moved it to Canva template. You see that plain one up there? Click on that one and it will show like this. Yeah, your background will now be plain. So from there, you now check down, you see element. Click on element, you see create your own. From that create your own, this is where all the describe what you like to create. You write whatever thing that you have in mind, the kind of design that you want. So yeah, I'm typing something. I want a lovely background with a bed. That is what I'm typing. So after that, and I click on create image. So look at it, it's loading. It's taking some time to load. I think about 1 minute or some seconds. So after that, it will open and it will be like this. Click on the one that you want. If you don't want any of them, click on create again. It will show another one. So once you click on it, it will come out to that white, that plain picture that is there. Then you now set it and arrange it to the way you want it. I see what I'm doing. You drag it to the way you want it to fit in that plain template. So are you seeing it? You can just play with it and arrange it the way you want. So after that, I'm done with this one. I think I'm okay with the way it is. You just slide to the other side because I'm using my phone. I'm not using laptop. If it's laptop, there's something it will show. Go back to the elements and click on create your own. I want to check another image to see if I will see another design that I would like. So it's loading. It used to take few seconds for it to load. Look at what it's showing me. If I still don't like it, I can type another thing and check, or still go or go back. So I want to select one of them. I've selected the one I want, so I'm doing the normal job to arrange it the way I want it to fit or to be in the template. So this is what I'm doing. Playing with it and arranging it to my satisfaction. So once you're done seeing it, the two template that I created is there. You can go ahead and save it. So this one, I want to design another one. I just write another thing for me to check other designs. This is a free app. They have pro, which you can pay, but this particular one I'm using is free. Are you seeing what I'm saying? After creating this one, I will select the one I want to use. I will select it and fit it to the plain template to form a thumbnail. that will be suitable for what I want for my background. So look at this one. This is a studio. This is very, very nice. So I'm still checking, I'm still trying, I'm still checking the designs that I like and the background that I want to use. This is not difficult to learn, it's very easy to learn. Please ignore the messages that are dropping on top of my page. You know I'm using this phone and my data is on, because you can't use this Canva without your data on. So that's messages that are coming from other app. So look at the one that I selected. I'm trying to fit it to this place. I love this one. So let's arrange it and place it the way I want it to be. So this one, I want to put a sticker or a sign on it. So I'm going to the element, and that search element, I'm going to type something there. I'm going to type YouTube play button. Yeah, this is the sticker, or how do they even call it? So it will show all these things. I'm going to click on see all. Then I'll select the one I want. The logo, yes, logo, sorry. I'll select the logo that I want. It's not a must to do this, but if you want, you can still do it. So I'm just designing it to my satisfaction and the way I want it to be. So look at what I'm doing. I want it to fit in that small tiny space there. So are you seeing it? It's very nice, it's very okay. I think I love it. So from there I can still do another one if I want. If I don't want, I will just save it. So after this, I now selected another one. This is actually the way you would do it till you get what you want, and select as many as you want. Why I'm repeating this video is because the first one I didn't show how I save it, so that's why I'm repeating the video, so that you see the process and how I save it. So after doing this one is 2. So since I'm done, let's save it. I'm saving it. I'm going to go to download. That download, you save it in PNG because it will be more higher. Then you save it in all page if you want to save everything. If you want to save it one, then it's done. You save it and you move over to your, are you seeing it? It will save as picture one after the other. You move over to your CapCut. That CapCut, you click on new project. You select the photo, any of the photo that you downloaded. Click on any of the photo. It will be like this. Then you drag it to where the video that you want to place would be, the length of the video. You drag it down to that place. Even if you're not sure, you can still leave it the way it is. Then you go to overlay. Are you seeing it? You add overlay. That add overlay, you go to your videos, that video that you want to use, you place that video there, and it will be like this. You go and remove background. Are you seeing? You search, you see remove background, auto remove. The background will remove automatically. Everything will just go off. Then you adjust it and place it the way you want it. If you want it to be up, if you want it to be down. Are you seeing what I'm doing? You place it the way you want it. Go to effects. Go to effects. Are you seeing it? Then you click on video effects. That video effect, you search lens. That lens, you see blur. Then click on it. This background, you now adjust it to the way you want it. You don't need it to be too bright so that it will not look fake. So you blur it the way you want it to be. Look at what I'm doing. So after that, you drag it to the end of the video. I had to switch to the other video that I have. You drag it to the end of the video. After dragging it there, everything is okay. Are you seeing it? Is not that bright again. It's not too shouty. Is now blur and okay. So you can now save your video. If you don't want to add any other thing, if you want to add some other things, you can do it. If you want to edit it, if you want to do some other things, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, this is the end of the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.